What's good with you, YouTube? It's your boy. I am Charlie P, and I'm back here with another video. And I'm getting myself ready. This stop, man, like I said, I've been running a lot. But if you're new here, before I get into that, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you're an OG sub, return the sub. I appreciate the love and support always. Thank you. This is I am Charlie P. My trucking journey. I am on the Dollar General Fresh account with Werner Enterprise. Sorry, I just woke up. Basically, we were gonna do this load. This load was supposed to be done last night, but since I got this trailer at late, this was supposed to leave out yesterday at 8 o'clock in the morning. I didn't leave out until about 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and it was on the eastern side, so I lost an hour, and then it took like 5 hours to get here. So I got the first two done. The third one, I mean, I kind of figured that was going to happen, where I was going to get stuck here due to my time, or I was going to be able to make it to my next one, which I could have made it to my next one if they would have took it, but they said they closed in like 20-something minutes, so they didn't want to take it, and it was only 72 pieces. So I don't know, the lady just showed up here, so I'm about to get myself together and turn this in. But excuse my hair and stuff. Like I said, I just woke up, getting all this stuff done. So we're about to knock this out, and because I got 7 stops today, then I'll basically be home later today.
Go ahead and get you unloaded.
Okay, I'll just get ready, man. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
I'll get you a U-boat bring up here.
Okay, yeah, I just need one.
Okay.
All right. So as you've seen, they basically said that they ready to take me. So I'm about to, I got my slides on, I'm about to put my boots on and stuff like that, and get ready to take, basically unload. This is 72 pieces. I think it's like 2 roll containers and like half of a U-boat or freezer. So I'm gonna knock this out and start my day. I got 7 stops. So like I said, my 4th stop was the stop that's due today in the morning. I would like to be at the next stop that's due that morning there, that morning. You know what I'm saying? So that would make me have 6 stops, but it's cool because like it's the 3rd stop, so it's like about 4 more stops, maybe 5. That's all within like 8 to 10 minutes apart. So that's cool. Then I gotta hit Virginia too. So like I said, the drive home is like 5 hours. So I'm gonna need about 6.5 hours left on my clock. But I should be able to do it. Now the Virginia one's gonna probably be a little distance because they're an hour just to get there. But the ones where I'm at in Bristol, Tennessee, they all close by. They all proximity, 8 to 10 minutes apart from each other. And then I got like 3 in Virginia. So I'm about to start that so I can get home, enjoy my time with my family. Like I said, this is Friday afternoon. I like to get home Saturday night because I typically have that Sunday, Monday off, but they gave me Friday, they gave me Saturday and Sunday off this time. But you know, it's cool. You know, it is what it is. There's nothing wrong with switching it up every blue moon. But I know I like this Sunday and Monday, and I know my wife likes the Sunday and Monday. But I'm about ready to go and start unloading this. And sorry for my hair. I really don't care. I'm just gonna knock this out and go home. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how this video gonna go. You know what I'm saying? You can just continue to watch, and I try to get much footage as I can and record and let you guys see the day in the life of the Dollar General. And right now I am at a plaza. So and I got open on my side door. I got my water, so I typically brush my teeth and stuff. So I'm at a plaza. This one cool. See what I'm saying when I say plazas? Like, I don't like the old plazas. This one kind of alright. They let me load it in through the front, but most of them, they want you to go through the back. Some of them be through the front. I'm gonna show y'all the parking lot. So this is the parking lot right here. I here earlier, I was parked right there last night because I was just basically letting everybody get out the way. Then I moved over here about 6 in the morning. So when I moved over there about 6 in the morning, I just parked in front of the store, so it'd be easier for me to get out. Because when you driving these trucks, you always want to, like, it's easy always coming in, but you always want to be able to find you an easy way out, because the exit is literally like right there. You know what I'm saying? So that's what you always want to typically do, is find you an easy way out, because a lot of people just want to pull in and go in and do it, but then they have no way out. Which I done went in ways and I'm be like, dang, I'm gonna get out. But I always figure it out. You just gotta be patient and take your time. So let me put my boots on, my jacket on and stuff, and get ready. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I'm at my 6th stop. So I'm busting down. Got about 4 more left. All right, y'all, so we just buzzed down this, look at that trash thing. All right, so we just buzzed down. What stop is this? 7 stop. We finna head to the 8 stop. I think, hold on. We just 7 stop. They accidentally signed on the 8 stop, so we're finna head to the 8 stop, and then no, we're finna head to the 7 stop. I'm sorry. Check that. I be checking that because I know I'm in these small towns. Yeah, I know I'm in these small towns, and I don't be knowing, you know, if they on that type of time. And so what I do is I check anyways, because it's just better be safe than sorry. Because you go into these towns, they see you black, you don't know, they might try to do something to your truck just so, and start laughing, sit back and laugh. I don't know. That's how I be thinking, but yeah, then we finna head to Virginia. Let me finish this paperwork and get finished so I can get done and be on the way to the house, because I got like a 5-hour drive to the house, I think. So I need that time. All right, guys, so now we in Virginia. I'm at my 9th stop. As you guys see, look what's trying to fall over as I grab a cart. I don't know why they put the dry. Why would they do that? Bro, you see what I'm saying? Stuff like this just be making me mad, bro. Trying to slow my day down. Like you said, that's why I said I don't got stronger, because I done caught that with one hand. I was just gonna let it fall, but I'm like, I'm not gonna let that fall. I'm getting a lot of Mustangs out this way. I don't know what's going on about that. So lately, hold on to that. Lately, I've been figuring out I'll just get the road containers before I open it, the door. That's if I got enough space inside the trailer. Go on and grab them, and then I'll bring down the carts, because I just realized that's a lot easier than bring it down a cart, and then once you bring it down the cart, then you got to bring back up. So basically, I put that on there, push the roll containers that I need down to the lift gate, and then when I do that, all I gotta do is strap everything back down, close the trailer door, and I'm gone. Only time I gotta get back up here is if they want 3 roll containers. Like this stop only got 1 roll container. So I'm gonna get that off, push that down there, and then I'm gonna strap everything down and head to my next one. I'm really on a time crunch because I mean this store ain't really got that much, so I'm finna just go and bust this down, bust the next one down, and I'll turn y'all back on once I'm on the way back to the crib. All right, y'all, so I'm back. This is my last stop. I completed it. It was only 63 pieces. I'm up here in the mountains in Virginia, so it started raining and stuff, so I just completed it out. I was gonna record inside the trailer and stuff, but I left my phone inside the truck. So right now I'm just waiting on my I got 7 hours left on my 14, so I'm just waiting on my 30 minutes so I can basically get that time back, so I can go on. I think where I fill up at, it's like 4.5 hours away. So yeah, man, just gotta take that 30-minute break so I can get that time back. Yeah. And that will be in 10 minutes. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I finally made it to my destination where I leave my truck and trailer for my home time. I'm gonna be real, man. I just drove from Virginia, somewhere in Virginia, Pound, Virginia or something. It was like a 4-hour drive. Had to drive through Knoxville and stuff, and I was skeptical because, you know, Knoxville will be having traffic, so I was kind of skeptical on the time frame. And I'm on Central Time in Nashville, and you know they're on Eastern Time, so I rode through there about 7 o'clock, so I was straight. But if anybody done rode through Knoxville, you know, like around anywhere from like 2 to 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, that traffic is terrible going and coming. Like that Knoxville traffic is terrible right there on there. Just that one interstate right there with a that's a clean C10 too, boy. Yeah, it's a box one. I don't really care for the box ones, but that one clean though. Right there by where all the way stations and stuff at. Like once you pass that, you just keep, man, I'm telling you, that part of Knoxville is terrible. But I got all my stuff, my suitcase. I wash my comfort at least every other week, but I wash my sheets every week because I did get sick. And it is a DG worker back here that put me up on game on some things. I never seen him before, but he got delivered at the store down the street where I park at. And when I get off on Fridays, they typically somebody be right here, and I just found out that they get their trucks at 6 o'clock Saturday mornings. So yeah, he was here as long as he wasn't blocking where I park at or anything like that. So it's hard to keep this truck clean, man. But yeah, man, I'm waiting on my wife to get here and spend time with my son. My mother-in-law is at the house. So I'm tired, man. I just drove like 4 hours. Even though 4 hours ain't nothing, but I've basically been on this account in 4 hours. Then, you feel me? I done got used to just driving like 2 hours, 3 hours. Really 3 hours, like as a whole. But I used to drive long distance, you know what I'm saying, when I was OTR at Stevens, but my body was conditioned for that at that time. I done got relaxed a little bit, but I'm tired. I'm finna go home, chill, rest, eat me some food, my leftover Applebee's that I bought. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I bought a Alfredo pasta broccoli and chicken and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go home and try to eat that. Hopefully my son don't be wanting to eat none of my food. But I'm about to check out, man, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like my video. I know this one is a short one, but I typically give a little bit longer, but just trying something different this time. I was pretty much tired and in a rush. These past 2 weeks I've been in a rush because the way that the planner's been giving me loads, and if it's happened again, I'm gonna say something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, like I said, man, I'm out, man. I'm tired. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And it's your boy, I am Charlie P. I'm out.